Welcome to our next class, students. Now today we'll start with exercise 5.2, question number 9. Clear? Equivalent sets. First of all, you should know what are equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equivalent set if they contain the same number of elements. Same number. Elements may or may not be same, but number of elements should be same. I mean cardinal number should be same. Like in first example, set A is given 1, 2 and 3 and B is given 4 and 5. Count the number of elements here. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 are there. Here only 2 elements are there. So their cardinal number is not same. So they are not equivalent set. Next, QSM, 3 elements. The next is 6, 9, 12, total 3 elements. Although they are not same, elements are not same, but number of elements are same in both the cases. So this is what equivalent set. Next is x such that x is a prime number less than 10. This is a prime number less than 10. So let's list the elements which are prime numbers which are less than 10. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is also prime number less than 10. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. Cardinal number is 4. Set y is 1, 2, 3. Clear? Elements are already given. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 is also given. Y is x such that x natural number which is less than equal to 4. So all these are natural numbers less than equal to 4. 4 will also be included. So cardinal number is what? 4. Both are same. So they are equivalent set. In the next set, you are given that x is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n plus 3 where n is less than 4. Value of n is less than 4 with the condition x belongs to natural number. So tell me what are the natural numbers less than 4, that are 1, 2 and 3. So n can be only 1, 2 and 3. Replace n. When you replace n with 1, you will get this expression. When you will replace n with 2, you will get this expression. When it is replaced with 3, you will get this expression. Just see now. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So cardinal number is 3. Next is set S. Given in this form, this is the set builder form. X is equal to n over n plus 1, where n belongs to a real number and n is less than equal to 4. So n can have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So replace 1 over 1 plus 1, 2 over 2 plus 1, 3 over 3 plus 1, 4 over 4 plus 1. So write in this way. It will be 1 by 2. This is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 4 and this is 4 by 5. So cardinal number of this is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Real numbers, children. What are real numbers? All numbers are real numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4 I have shown. But there are infinite of real numbers. Infinite real numbers are there. So we can't write all the elements. This is not defined up to infinity. This symbol stands for infinity. It means not defined. So in the first case, the cardinal number was, number of elements were 3 and here uncountable. So this is what? Not equivalent set. Next is fifth part, letter of the word God. So separate it. You can't write in the block letters G, O and D. These are the elements. Cardinal number is 3. Set B is also given 2, 3 and 5. Count the number of elements 3. Both are same. So this is what? Equivalent set. Sixth part is letter of the word mathematics. So write M-A, mathematics. Clear? So write down the elements. M-A-T-H-M. Already written, so we will not write this. A already written, will not write this. T already written. Then I we have to write. C we have to write. S we have to write. So elements, you can't repeat the elements in the set. Now count the number of elements total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. So cardinal number is 8. Set B is natural number less than 9. So these are the natural numbers less than 9 up to 8 only. Number of elements are 8. So cardinal number of both the sets are same. So they are equivalent set. With this your second exercise is finished. Last question is not in the syllabus. Clear? Children, exercise 5.3 only 5th question is in syllabus and that is related to universal set. So first of all you should know what is a universal set. A set which contains all the elements of other given set is called universal set. Children, the set which is given to you, if all elements of that set is present in any other set, that is called universal set. For example, I'll give you example. Set A is a set of natural numbers. Clear? Natural numbers. Set B 1, 2, let it be 5, 6 and 7. Now tell me, what are the possible outcomes of set A? A is natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on to infinity. There are infinite natural numbers. Whereas set B only 5, 6 and 7, 3 elements are there. And these elements are the part of natural numbers. So we can say set A is universal set of B. So this way we have to find the answers of exercise 5.3. Only one question is in your syllabus, that is question number 5. Let's start now. Question number 5. Set of all squares. You have to write universal set for this. So square is a type of quadrilateral. You know that square is a type of quadrilateral. So universal set for this, what we can write, x such that x is a quadrilateral, because this is type of quadrilateral. Second, set of all even numbers. So beta, even numbers are the part of whole numbers as well as natural numbers. So anything you can write. Either you write x such that x is natural number, x such that x is a whole number. Any of the answer you can write, both will be correct. Next, the set of all isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a type of triangle. So what universal set you can write for this? X such that x is a triangle. Clear? Next is the set of all negative integers. Negative integers are the part of integers only, because integers can be positive, they can be negative, it can be 0 also. So what universal set will write for this? We'll write x such that x is integer. Next, set of all prime numbers. Prime numbers are the parts of natural number also. Clear? They are the parts of whole numbers also. So you can write x such that x is natural number. Clear? The next is set of all obtuse angled triangle. This is also a type of triangle only. So what you can write for this? Set of x such that x is a triangle. So answers are written here, children. So you can go through this. With this your chapter sets is finished. Prepare it well for the UTs. Thank you.